All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Hope everybody had a fantastic day today. Um, Not much movement today for us during New York session, so we had a pretty slow day today in the market, so nothing too crazy. Yes, a little bit there. All right, let's dive in. We got the 9 o'clock candle open now, the new 4 hours. We'll jump into that in a second. I just want to take a look at the daily chart right quick. So we do have our levels right up here on the daily, right? And we have this daily candle here that has no bottom weight, by the way. But we have that somewhat of that support resistance level. So we're in that range, right around that 26.72 and that 26.33 range, more or less off the daily, right? So we're kind of stuck in there. We haven't really moved much. When we look at the 4 hour, we have some better ranges there on the 4 hour. This what's going on here? Oh, there it is. All right. Yeah. Price action on the 4 hour doesn't look too bad. We have created some support and resistance levels. Let's look that up here. And we have this low here, right there, which is the daily low. And we have our highs up here, right? So we're kind of looking at it like this. When you zoom out, you can kind of see it better. So we formed this support here, and it never broke. Made a few attempts throughout the day. On the 1 hour, you will see it looks different, but closed bullish on the previous, that earlier, that 1 o'clock 4 hour candle. We closed bearish now, and we want to make a move to come back down here. We'll see. All right, so here on the 1 hour, you get a better visual of that. So I'll mark it up right here for us. This is what we're going to be looking at tonight if we're going to take any positions, right? So we got that there. And currently, right, we have this resistance and then this one here. We have our highs up here as well that we'll be targeting if we decide to move up, right? But we have formed this resistance level, and now we try to break above, just like this candle here. This one dropped all the way back down, and so on and so forth. So now let's wait on gold to set up for us, right? All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ right quick. NASDAQ it's just been ranging. I mean, look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so on the NASDAQ on the 4 hour, look at this. Very strong support right here. But yeah, we're making our way down again here. And if we do break, then yeah, we're probably coming down here. Yeah. Yeah, we might get to see a drop to about 19.4, 19.3. Very doable. But as you can see, for a while now, we were in this area here, right? We kept getting rejected. We worked our way all the way up, right? Came back down, and then we came back to that level, and we're just stuck there. We won't go back up. We haven't even tested the highs yet, and probably in over a day. So it's just going sideways here. Off the 1 hour, you can see it clearly. Look at that. A lot of nothing on the NASDAQ all day today. So yeah, no movement whatsoever. This 1 hour is pulling down, but has no top wick, so it's hard to tell what this market is going to do at this point. We do get a break below. I might make an attempt right here. Try to take the sells down. But for now, we have nothing. Okay. And gold, yeah, we're on the 1 hour here, so this is what we're staring at. But it looks like we're coming down here. Let's see. They get a top wick. All right, so we got a bearish close here. I might be interested in these sells here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm definitely interested here. Take a sell right here. Yeah. All right. I'm in this sell right here right now, gang. Where is it right here? Oops. Oops. Goodness. All right, gang. So I'm in these cells here. That's the information to the trade here. And yeah, that's it. So we're at All right, hang tight, gang. I'll be right back. All right, looks like we're driving down here a little bit. So we get that push. Hey, what's up, Fluidity? How's it going, brother? Oh, you took sales earlier. Like how early? New York for New York session? I saw respect that here formed this resistance here, the, making this top wick, came back, closed pretty strong bearish. Then this candle makes a top wick. When it flipped, then we got in on the sells here, and yeah, we're up 10 pips at the moment. I'm gonna look at this. Has a little resistance right there. That's yeah, right around 15 pips. If we tap that level at 15 pips, then I'm just gonna go break even, just in case it wants to bounce off of this area here. Previous resistance now turns support. Or you caught this sell here? Oh, nice. You caught it from the top here. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, you did have this resistance area. So if you caught it on the flip, that was a good entry. The third candle from today's open. Also, you caught it from here then. All right, we're tapping in here, are we? Ooh. Yeah, we're driving down here, gang. We're up about 12 pips or so. If we go ahead and tap that, like I said, I'm going break even at 15 pips. Then we'll see. Only because, again, because of this level right here, we don't want to get a tap in and then it'll reverse on us. You know what I mean? All right. Yeah, we're up 13 pips at the moment. Yeah, we're up 15 pips there, gang. I would break even here, 15 pips profit. Let's see if we're gonna break through, and then I'll close some partials. Just update this. All right, gang, we're in break even here, 15 pips. And one more pip here. 2 more pips. Let me log into my other screen here real quick. So, all right. Just want to make sure I went break even. And we were up at 19 pips. I would have gotten 20 pips there. I was gonna go break even. I mean, take partials there, but it kind of pulled up a little bit. But we're risk free at this trade anyway. Excuse me. We're risk free. Let's see. We're gonna get continuation. Excuse me. Wow. I apologize. If we could get a further push down. We're gonna survive this. Like I tell you, see how we tapped it right into that level there, right at this support here. But see if we're gonna, push through it, or are we gonna get rejected from here and bounce back up? It would be ideal for gold to drive down and fill the whole range, and then I would look for buy opportunities here. If you notice how this level's holding, I mean, look at this. Got a little bit of a rejection here as well. But gold, this level is super strong support here. We get the drive down, hit our TP, and if we remain in the range, we don't break below. Like these candles all wick below. You see that? They all flip and all close above. If we can hold this support level, I'll look for buys back up. Nice push down though to 2630, 2631 down here. Would be nice too. All right, let's see. I'm still in our full positions here. I just went break even though. We're in it. I want to see if we got to push down to 20, 22 pips or so, and I'll just take partials there and then hold my runner the rest of the way. Oh yes, and since it been at the all-time high, yeah, a lot of people been streaming. I haven't been doing it that long. I think I've been doing it for like 3 months, just about. I mean, I've been trading for 6 years, but I never really got on stream like that. Didn't have much time to do it. Sometimes, I can't get on every night, but most nights for Asia, I'll just tune in and kind of just hang out with you guys here on YouTube and share my strategies, share my analysis, and hopefully we can all make some money together. You know what I mean? But yeah, I definitely notice a lot more streamers out there. Man, are we gonna survive this? Yeah, it's gonna pull up to hit our break even here. Yeah, we peaked at 19 pips here, but let's see, we might get a push here. Like during the New York session, sometimes I tune into Wix 9. He has a New York session live stream. I be tuning in on that sometimes and hanging out with them there. And with TTE as well. TTE, that's my fam right there. The Time to Eat fam. They do the New York session every morning too. A lot of times, like I said, I'm doing my own markups, my own analysis, and I'm so caught up with that, to prepare signals or to get ready for any entries for New York session that a lot of times I can get on these streams and stuff like that. But yeah, for the most part, I'll have some time to just throw it on the TV and watch what they're doing, listen to you know, they spit out a lot of knowledge, a lot of gems. There's always room for growth to learn more. So these guys are professionals. You know, they're. I heard about this other streamer that he used to stream the New York Don Vo, but he fell off the map. I haven't seen any material, any lives. I haven't seen anything. I don't know what happened to that guy. Goes trying to push down. Yeah, it ran into this little support right here. These wicks here, you see these wicks? This candle here, these two candles, this wick right here, rejected from there. So there's a little bit of a little minor support right there, but let's see if we'll break through it. Those streamers, fluidly, they took their bags and left. They took their profits and left. Bro, some of these guys, for example, let me show you something. Like, let me go back to the monthly. I was talking about this with a cousin of mine today. We were talking about, you know, the breakout of the all-time high, but that was down. What was it? Right here. It was this area right here. This level on the monthly. If you go back and you know we hit this high back in 2012, you know we kind of dropped, and then we were in this run since like November of 2018. We started pumping up, made this all-time high here, came down, and then we made a triple top, and this was the level to break, right there. So you see how we tapped in 1, 2, 3, and then when we came down and pulled down, everybody was thinking it was going to come back down here because that's what it always did, and so on. But then we just flipped, and then when this candle closed, we had this one pullback. See that red candle right in the middle? That was the breakout retest of the monthly, and man, from this wick here, that pullback, that was in February, and we haven't looked back ever since, bro. Once we broke out of this range, this was the all-time high for a long time. I mean, from 2020 all the way to till it broke out. So I would say till October of 23. So like almost 3 years. That was the level there, and it finally broke out after just kind of stalling at this level here, and it's gone, bro. But yeah, listen. With that said, we might get a bit of a push up here. You know, we might get some more continuation, but that correction is gonna come. It's gonna come and retest this joint right. It's gonna pull up, come back down here, and then bounce back up. This is not gonna go off forever, guys. So, you know. What I don't think is gonna happen. I don't think gold is gonna go back to, you know, to 1800 or anything like that. I think gold is going to remain, it's going to stay above 2075 if it even comes down that far. Anything can happen, of course, but I just don't see it. I don't think it's ever going to go back below that low. Yeah, it looks like it's going to get stopped out at BE here, gang. Yeah, fluidity. Me too. I don't see it at at as big a correction it can make. It'll probably. Oh, I'm out here, gang. Yeah, hit our BE. All right, we'll take it for what it is. All right, my BE was at like 3 pips, so got stopped out there with like 3 pips profit. Yeah, this support level here. That's why I went break even when we tapped in there because I was like, man, you might want to tap in here and pull back up. So doesn't mean it's not going to drive down, but it's probably not ready to do that. Might come back up and continue to range below here. Now it formed this resistance level here. But if it comes back up, right, and then breaks and closes above, then we'll fill the top of the range here. But yeah, all right. Let me take a look at the Nasdaq right quick just to see. Yeah, it's kind of in the same, but we're right in this range here. This is the 1 hour time frame. We just kind of look at all these wicks here. Look at that. This is a strong level here. So honestly, I think we're gonna come down and break that and drive all the way down here. Everything is bearish for the market at the moment. I got this this level marked up down here. We got this current support. And we're kind of right here now. I'll delete this one because that was just to mark this level off we rejected from, but yeah, we're kind of. I got this high and all the way up here. Matter of fact, I'll use this level up here. This is the all-time highs up here. So yeah. It looks to me like that this big impulse like this, and this is the correction here. You know, it might range a little bit here, and then boom, just kind of take off. But I don't think that's gonna happen tonight, gang. To be honest with you. Yeah, we got about 6 minutes to this candle closure, 5 minutes or so. Unless this candle pulls up and closes above, I'm probably gonna call it a night. I thought we were gonna once we got in, we ran about 19 pips profit, but pulled back up, took us out. But who knows? Maybe later tonight it'll come down. Maybe even come down and retest this low here and then bounce up. That would be perfect. About 2656. You mean this level? Yeah. If it comes and hits this wick, it's possible. Where's this little impulse, this correction, and then boom. It might want to run up now. Yeah, man, but yeah, it's not. There might be opportunities later on tonight, but I'll probably send those signals out for my platform members, and I'm probably not gonna stick around for stream. Not if not a play. There's not a play. It's not gonna set up in the next 4 minutes. I don't think. Let me take a quick look at what do we have for news. All right, so for we have oh yeah, the Swiss franc got the CPI coming out today. That's at 2:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's pre-London. That should probably move the market a little bit. But then, other than that, no major news for London. And we have unemployment claims. 8:30. 8:30. Excuse me. What is that? Oh, final services PMI 9:45, and the ISM services PMI at 10. So yeah, it's gonna be busy for New York session in the morning. So we'll have some volume. We'll have some volatility coming in. Other than that, NFP on Friday, that's gonna be crazy. We have NFP coming out. That jobs report and the unemployment rate is gonna be key. It's gonna have an impact in the market for sure. You gotta be careful trading the news though, gang. For those that like to trade the news, a lot of people, they take that gamble when these reports are coming out. So just be careful, trade carefully. Yeah, gang. Yeah, it's about a minute left of this candle. I don't think anything's happening here. Just flip bullish again here for us. So Nasdaq was still somewhat bearish. You guys can mark up your charts here for the Nasdaq on the 1 hour. You target this range right here where we're in. Any break above or below, you have your trade set up right there. Keep that in mind. Yeah. All right, gang. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it. I'm calling it here. So for my platform members, we will be trading. Excuse me. My goodness, the New York session tomorrow. We do have news, like I said, pre-London, some news coming out. Then we have the unemployment claims tomorrow, ISM services PMI, stuff like that. So yeah, just stay tuned, and appreciate everybody coming in, joining me here on YouTube on this live stream. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll probably have a better setup for us. Nothing really happening tonight. All right, gang. So I hope everybody has a great night, and yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. All right, peace out.